In the world of Carnatic music, you may have often heard the term Geetham, and this video is going to be a detailed explanation of what Geethams are. Welcome back to Artium Carnatic with me Bhavya Tumluru. In Carnatic music, Geethams mostly simply said like a songs. Geethams conceptually are not complex but very simple and beautiful. They are used to introduce students to the concepts of tala and sahitya. Geethams are generally considered the simplest composition form in Carnatic music. They are usually set to a simple rhythm and are sung at a slower pace, making them perfect for beginners. Despite their simplicity, Geethams are incredibly powerful because they introduce the very foundation of ragams and talams. Culturally, Geethams have a very important role in the lives of children. During the festival Gollu, children are often heard singing very famous Geethams as part of the celebration in exchange of some sweet treats. One of the many popular Geetham is Sri Gananatha in Ragam Malahari, a ragam that evokes the divine presence of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the embodiment of wisdom and prosperity.
Ma pa da sa re re sa da pa ma pa re ma pa da ma ga re sa ri ma ga re sa re ma pa da pa ma ga re sa. Sri Gananatha Sindhura Varna Karuna Sagara Karivadana Lambodara Lakumikara Amba Sota Amaravinuta.
Malahari is the Janya Ragam of Maya Malavagaula, which is why Sri Gananatha is usually first Geetham that is learned by students. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep practicing, keep singing.